Somebody say Tiny Miracle. That's who we're drawing tonight. Tiny Miracle is Uncle Grandpa's strong and healthy robot helper. And he knows how to open a jar with ease. Well, and by ease, I mean skills. He's got skills to open a jar. Not bad for that. Oh boy. I'll be right back. Sorry, I'm back. One of the neighbor's dogs got under our fence. Weird, but it's really funny how they always play along like that. Here we go. Now here's his special shirt. Did I ever get to mention he can build his own furniture, and he can transform into vehicles, just like the Transformers? Anyhow, now we just draw his arms. Here we are. Here we are. There we are. Hey, remember they made that crossover with Steven Universe? That was really amazing. Who would have thought that Uncle Grandpa would take his powers to new heights? Remember he met one of the crystal gems? That was amazing. It was kind of amazing that we actually saw that. Now that's strong. And done. There he is. That is how you draw Tiny Miracle. If you guys like robots, you should pick this one to be your best favorite. I've got more Uncle Grandpa stuff in the future. Just let me know when I'm gonna... Just let me know which one you want me to draw next. Anyway, better sign out for now, because I got plenty of them in the future.